Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Fine. I am also fine. So we are going to play debate game, and we are supporting private sector, and you are supporting government sector. So let's start.
So government sector is a very important for us because by that with the government sector we find a different kind of thing which we will not find in the private sector. In the government sector we have different kind of facility which it's a very good for us because without money we can take the government facility. It's a very good for the people who are not available to the giving a money for the treatment ourselves and for educate ourselves.
No, ma'am, I am not agree with you that you said that without money we can do any kind of thing. That is not good. That by money we can do many kind of thing. We can do every kind of thing. By without money there are many kind of circumstances which we can find in
but
government sector, but not.
according to me, ma'am, your point totally wrong because in the government sector we find each and everything which we can't find in private sector. For example, about nowadays about education, how it is important nowadays. But if the people who are not able to go in a private sector, how they can understand and how they can get education? But behalf of that, government provide lot of things like education, hospital, then lot of things. I think the government provide a free food for the person who are not able to take food, this kind of things. So
no,
how
madam,
we can?
yes, for us, my opinion, and I do work also in a private sector, and private sector is most important because in India 80% of work do in a private sector related like related a hospital and job sector and yeah.
So I am not agree with your point because in a government sector we saw lots of benefits because in the government sector we see the facilities are too much good, and if we see the facilities so we can apply for job. In the government sector we see the lots of job vacancies are regularly are filling, and we are also.
I'm not agree this point because in that private sector we can get many facilities, but in government sector we can't find many kind of facilities. Suppose in that school we can't find that much education facilities because in government school they don't teach, teachers don't teach that.
So ma'am, I am not agree with your point. So if you are saying that private sector is good for us, so why all fresher is applying for the government job? Because of their facilities and the income, they can get the handsome salary by that. And nowadays government sector is really beneficial for us.
So ma'am, I am not agree with your point. Private sector provides so much handsome salary according to private sector. There are so many good options in private sector. You can get different type of job, and government can't handle that much massive population. That's why they need private sector to control.
Sorry ma'am, I'm not agree with your point because you can see in that Google, I can give you one example like Google. There is most of the people want to the job in that company because it's a provide lots of the facility we can't see in other city, means other private sector. But in government, in the Google Chrome, we can find the different kind of facility which we never find in other different.
No, ma'am, I am not agree with your point that you said that it is very good company. That is not right. There are many kind of people who want to do job in MNC company, and in MNC company you can say it is a private company. It is a private company. That's why the private jobs are very good, and there are many people who want to do job in private sector. That's why
ma'am,
private
actually
sector
I give one example like in how private sector they does their work. Like for example in a hospital, if there any person in any ladies he is pregnant, means she is pregnant, so when she is go to hospital and she want to their treatment, but what does private sector? They only taking lot of money because of their condition. But in a government sector you can treat yourself free of cost. Why? Because of government provide this kind of things. And
Yes, madam, as far as my opinion, and in private sector like provide a good facility, and in Max Hospital you can see, and according to like emergency. But in a government sector if you go, and that time he like make a lots of like rural electrician go and from there and will fill this kind of form, and after then he selection. But in private sector and you can
So I think, sir, you are wrong. You are talking of something wrong, because we see the in government sector we see the IPS. They are doing very hard work for the society. They are doing lots of hour for doing study for, because the one reason is for they want to welfare of the society. For they want to go in a government sector. They want to save our environment. They want to save our
I'm not
society.
agree this point because someone said about that government sector is a free of cost. No, that every parents spend a purchase of liquors and art, and we know very well that it is not good for us. But because of the free of cost, they purchase it, and they know
So
very well. in
excuse me,
government
ma'am, you
sector-
are just talking about that private sector is good for us. But don't you think so about that hospitals, the problems which are facing by the peoples, like which some peoples can't afford that kind of facilities, so they use the government hospital. So that time we can say that the government sector is really beneficial for us in the hospital sector.
Sorry,
And
ma'am, I am not agree with your point. Every people earn for their livelihood. If they are not spending, why they are earning? So private sector give these luxurious things for their welfare. And you said that pregnant lady gets so much expensive and things here, but private sector gives every penny. Okay, give away every penny.